So today we are back again with another tutorial, and this is what we're going to be doing. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today we're going to be doing a nice TikTok dance challenge by Maphuma. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to it. So this is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirrored. So our first move is a one. Did you get it? So with your right leg, you swipe, right? Did you get it? Swipe, swipe, and then with the other leg, you swipe again, right? And then put it down. So it's a swipe, down, swipe, down. You get it? Let's try. So swipe, down, swipe, down. And make sure your leg is straight. And because your leg is straight, your body kind of tilts like this. So if it does this, you're going to tilt this side, you put it down. There. But don't be a zombie. Don't do this. Yeah. So it's yeah, pretty simple. You get it? So when you go one, two, you're gonna twist this side, and then you stand this side, and then our second step, which is our second move, is going to be you're gonna step with one, two. Start with your right. So you go one, two, like that in front. If you can see me from the front, this is what I'm doing. And then your hands, get the hands, you get the legs, you get it? So now you're gonna go down here. Make sure you're going down, and then let's try it in this position. Roll. You get it? Now you are gonna move your body like a rock. This is also like a hip hop rock. Yeah, that's what I wanna do. You're gonna do a hip hop rock. So without the hand or even the leg, this is what you do. And then with the leg, the hand. That's our second move. Yeah. So how many times you do it? You go one, two, one, two. 4 times. Yeah. And then our third move, which is the last one before we go into the second section, is a zip. Yeah. So this is how you do a zip. Make sure you put your leg there in front. So when we go high team, and then your leg twist on your toe, you twist, and then your left leg goes back like this. You come back there together. When you do together from the twist, toe, twist, left leg, back, and then here, twist, back, and then back here, twist, back, and then here. But the difference is when you twist, this leg is going back, so you do it at the same time. So it's did you get it? Pretty easy, right? I'm gonna start from here. So twist and then back and then there, but at the same time. The twist and the back is at the same time. So it looks like this. Did you get it? So we're gonna try. If you go GIJIMA, you can go your zeb from this side. But if you have space this side, you can always do it on this side. So we're gonna start from the top until here. So in 5, 6, 7, 8 we go. 8, we go 8, and then we go okay. So after balea 4 times, they wanna tap and throw it up. You get it? Tap there. 2, 3, 4. Come back here. Yeah? And then we go again. You go 8, I GIJIMA, I Balera, 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 Balera. Yeah, so it's like you repeat the same thing. Yeah, the first time you do until here, and then you come back, and then you do it again. Yeah, and then you go again. One, two, again. One, two, three, four, and then that's where it ends. We're gonna try and do it with the pace, and then after we do it with the pace, we're gonna try and do it with the music. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, hey, 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 go, hey, hey, ay, GIJIMA, Balera, Balera, Balera. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is our tutorial for today. I hope you enjoy. If you do get the tutorial and you're gonna do a video, please post it on TikTok and tag me. Let's see what you're on about. Let's see if you can do it. Yeah? Challenge yourself, man. Let's do it. Anyways, if you reached this far and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every time I drop another tutorial. Subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.